Look. Sure, good little baby, Chrissy. A little sweetheart.
What are you looking at, Kata? Is Grandma over there? Are you talking to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. She's not looking at me, Chris. Who are you looking at? What? What, sweetie?
Do you see Grandma?
Who are you talking to?
Do you see Grandma?
What do you see, Kata?